Designed for photographers, artists, and creatives, the Canon PIXMA Pro-200 delivers stunning, borderless color prints with professional quality and exceptional detail, all in a compact and user-friendly package. Vibrant 8-color ink system. The enhanced 8-color dye-based ink system produces rich, vibrant prints every time. It's built to deliver stunning color accuracy and depth, ideal for professional photography and artwork reproduction. Compact yet powerful. Despite its professional-grade capabilities, the PIXMA Pro-200 features a space-saving design, perfect for home studios or small creative spaces. High-speed A3+ printing. This printer can produce high-quality bordered A3+ prints, 13x19, in just 90 seconds, making it both efficient and capable of handling larger, detailed jobs without delay. Flexible media compatibility. Enjoy borderless printing up to 13x19, or even custom sizes up to 13x39. The PIXMA Pro-200 supports a wide range of media types, making it a versatile tool for any creative project. 3-inch LCD display monitor ink levels, perform maintenance, and navigate settings easily using the built-in 3 LCD screen, keeping your workflow smooth and productive. Professional print software included with Canon's Professional Print and Layout (PPL) software. You can fine-tune your prints with ease. The intuitive interface helps you choose the right settings fast so you can focus on your creative process. Wireless and wired connectivity print via Wi-Fi or a wired network, giving you flexible options for connecting from your desktop, laptop, or mobile device. Alexa Smart Reorders. Never run out of ink again. Connect your printer to Alexa for smart reordering. With no subscription needed, Alexa can notify you or even reorder ink automatically when levels run low.